Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Polk County and southeastern Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Livingston, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alabama Coshada Reservation, Lake Livingston State Park, West Livingston, Goodrich, Livingston, and Singel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Polk,